One sunny afternoon, a very thirsty crow named Carl flapped around, desperately seeking water. "My beak is drier than a desert dance floor," he squawked. At last, he spotted a pitcher with a bit of water at the bottom. Carl tried to drink, but his beak couldn't reach. Ugh, so close, yet so parched. Just then, his oddball friends arrived. First came Larry the lizard, wearing sunglasses and a cape. "Have you tried drinking upside down?" he hissed. Carl ignored him. Next was Penny the parrot, who only spoke in riddles. "To drink what's low, make the high go." She chirped and flew away laughing. Then Bob the goat strolled in, chewing. "A flip-flop, kick it over." "Simple," he bleated. Carl sighed. "No, Bob." Finally, Carl remembered science. He started dropping pebbles into the pitcher. 1.2.27. The water rose. Carl slurped with joy. "Genius," yelled Larry. "Magic," shrieked Penny from a tree. Bob just fainted. Moral: use your brain, not your goat.